At the end of June, we took a family trip to Yosemite Valley to day hike to some of the biggest and most famous waterfalls in the world. Our family six-pack consisted of my wife Penny and me, our 9-year-old son Nate and 7-year-old daughter Alex, their 12-year-old cousin Marco, who couldn't resist an invitation to hike in Yosemite, and my 73-year-old mom Joanne, returning here for a third time to repeat hikes that she and I did together 15 years ago. We started out by climbing 4 miles and 2,700 feet uphill to the brink of Upper Yosemite Falls. From a half a vertical mile above Yosemite Valley, we peered over the edge of a cliff where Yosemite Creek makes a sheer drop of more than 1,400 feet. To reach the waterfall overlook, we had to traverse a narrow, exposed catwalk blasted out of the granite cliff. On the 4-mile, 2,700-foot descent, our timing was perfect to see the late afternoon sun create a rainbow at the base of the Upper Falls. Next up, what may be the most popular hike in North America, the John Muir Trail and Mist Trail to Vernal Fall and Nevada Fall. The Mist Trail gets its name from the constant shower raining onto it from the force of Vernal Fall pounding the rocks at its base.
I can see why they call this the Mist Trail.
That's it.
Climbing higher still above Vernal Fall, we reached Nevada Fall, a 600-foot column of water roaring with spring runoff from melting snow in the High Sierra. I'll write about this trip and others in my book Before They're Gone, about taking my kids on adventures in national parks threatened by climate change, to be published by Beacon Press.